In this lesson, we will study the information management systems for process equipment. The goal of this lesson is to understand the fundamentals of equipment informatization management. This lesson covers two main topics. First, information management of process equipment. Second, management information systems and their applications. Let's begin with the first topic, information management of process equipment. Equipment information can originate from within the system, such as technical documentation, reports, and charts. It may also come from external sources, such as market information, manufacturer information, and product manuals. This information is crucial for equipment planning and procurement. It provides the foundation for making equipment decisions. Equipment information management covers all data throughout the equipment life cycle, including preliminary equipment information, operational information, and post-use information. However, the most critical information comes from the operational phase of the equipment. According to specific purposes, information related to the equipment's life cycle is categorized, as shown in the diagram. It includes condition information, financial information, maintenance information, spare parts information, and repair information. This supports archiving, querying, and inspection to meet computerized management requirements. Equipment information flows alongside logistics. Its management process typically comprises the acquisition, processing, storage, transmission, utilization, and feedback of information. Based on the context, the main tasks of information management include systematically organizing information channels and collecting information and data directly from information sources whenever possible, analyzing, processing, and storing the collected information, compiling reports and scheduling operation, providing decision support information, and so on. Here is a brief overview of common applications and features of equipment management information. First, data processing. Equipment management involves handling large volumes of data, including technical condition tracking, depreciation cost calculation, spare parts inventory management, operating hour calculation, maintenance cost tracking, and labor hour statistics for each equipment unit. This involves heavy workload and complex tasks. With an equipment management information system, data collection, classification, analysis, and reporting can proceed in a planned, methodical manner. Computerized data processing significantly improves efficiency, reduces costs, and enhances accuracy. Second, reports compilation. After analyzing and processing the management information, various operational reports can be compiled, such as equipment availability reports, utilization rate reports, spare parts supplementary order lists, and equipment service age statistics. Timely distribution of these reports helps management departments take effective actions to improve performance and achieve operational goals. For example, if the failure downtime rate exceeds acceptable thresholds, intensified inspections and compliance checks are necessary. The periodic maintenance and overhaul plans should be adjusted, and emergency repairs must be organized promptly after a failure to minimize downtime. Third, operation scheduling. System-provided information can be used to develop work plans and maintenance schedules. Network technologies facilitate the coordination of major overhauls and equipment installation. If using computers, personnel are relieved from tedious calculations and manual recording, enabling more effective management. Fourth, providing decision support. Analysis of equipment management data supports decision-making at all levels. For instance, new equipment and improvement information helps plan investment strategies. Computer-assisted decision-making identifies optimal fixed asset investment solutions from multiple alternatives. Second, management information systems for process equipment and their applications. A typical equipment management information Information System includes the following 6 components. First, planning management. It covers plant equipment investment and technical improvement planning, investment economic analysis, renewal, and transformation plans, their implementation status, management of self-manufactured equipment and technical improvement projects, as well as contract management. Second, asset management, including equipment ledger management, depreciation calculation and processing, and equipment decommissioning information. Third, spare parts management, including inventory control and ABC classification, querying, analyzing, and printing spare parts, inventory data, and so on. Fourth, maintenance management, including various maintenance planning, labor hour standards, and maintenance material consumption. Fifth, condition management, including equipment availability, excellence rate, failure management, accident management, and lubrication management. Sixth, personnel management, including the management of operators, maintenance staff, equipment managers, and technical personnel. Seventh, financial management, covering capital planning, utilization, and cost accounting. Currently, there are many equipment management systems available, but an effective one should possess these characteristics. First, integrity. The system should embody holistic thinking and global perspective. Ensures subsystem coordination through standardized naming, symbols, and data types. Second, efficiency. The system should process data quickly and effectively, with effective feedback mechanisms to generate useful information. Third, diversity. The system should be capable of managing a wide variety of equipment and operational environments. At the same time, it should be capable of managing various types of data and incidents, highlighting the need for management diversity within the system. Fourth, usability. A user-friendly system reduces unnecessary complexity and helps users avoid operational difficulties. It should not require steep learning curves for effective operation. Fifth, security and reliability. The system should enforce strict access control and verification measures for different user roles. To effectively monitor and manage enterprise equipment and environments, the system must operate in a secure and reliable manner. We have now covered all key points for this lesson. We've covered equipment information applications and management system features. Thank you.